Students, today I am going to start a new lesson from the book Beehive, and title of the lesson is The Little Girl, written by Catherine Mansfield. So this story is written by, already I have told you, Catherine Mansfield, and she is a prominent modernist writer. She is modern writer. Okay, and she was born on October 14, 1888 and passed away on 9 January 1929. Her prominent stories are Garden Party, Miss Brill, The Doll's House and The Bliss. Main characters of the lesson are Kezia. She is the protagonist of the lesson. Okay, and she is one of the normal, ordinary, small girl. Kezia's father, he is a strict man who used to scold his daughter Kezia. There is Kezia's mother. She is also strict towards the daughter Kezia, and Kezia's grandmother is there, but she is old and humble lady. So now see the lines of the lesson, The Little Girl. Page number 32. First paragraph. To the little girl, he was a figure to be feared and avoided. To the little girl, who is the little girl? Kezia. For the little girl Kezia, he was a figure to be feared. He is used for Kezia's father. So Kezia's father of Kezia, she feared to her father. Who feared to her father? Kezia. So he was a figure. Figure means person to be feared and avoided. She avoided her father. Kezia avoided her father because she was fearful to him. Every morning before going to work, he came into her room and gave her a casual kiss. Every morning means in the morning time, every day before going to work, before he departed to go on his duty, he came into her room. Kezia's father visited to the room of Kezia and gave her a casual kiss, and he gave a casual kiss to his daughter, to which she responded with goodbye, father. And when he gave kiss to her daughter, the daughter Kezia gave response saying goodbye. To whom? To her father. And oh, there was a great sense of relief when she heard the noise of the carriage growing fainter and fainter down the long road. And oh, there was a great sense of relief. She felt relieved. When did she feel relieved? When she listened the noise of carriage becoming low and low. Means he was going away from her. When he was going away from her, he was going to his duty, and it's the sound of his carriage was becoming low and low. Then she felt relieved. Who did feel relieved? Yes, Kezia. And when did she feel relieved? When she listened the voice of the carriage of her father becoming low and low. In the evening, when he came home, he stood near the staircase and heard his loud voice in the hall. In the evening, when he came home, in the evening time, her father returned from his duty, from his work. She stood near the staircase. She was found in standing position near the staircase of the house and heard his loud voice in the hall, and she listened the loud voice of her father in the hall. And how was his voice? Bring my tea into the drawing room, he shouted. How did he shout? Bring my tea into the drawing room. With these words he shouted. Hasn't the paper come yet? And again he shouted, whether the paper has not come till then. Mother, go and see if my paper's out there. Mother, go. He gave order to his mother that his mother should go and find the newspaper and bring me my slippers. And she gave order to bring his slippers also. Kejia's mother would call to her. Mother of Kejia would call to whom? To Kejia. If you are a good girl, you can come down and take off father's boot. She said to whom? She told her daughter Kejia. If you are a good girl, if Kejia was a good girl, you can come down and take off father's boot. She could come downstairs and she could remove the shoes of her father if she was good girl. Slowly the girl would slip down the stairs and slowly she came down from the staircase. More slowly still across the hall, and when she visited to the hall, she became more slow. Still across the hall and push open the drawing room door, and she opened the door of drawing room. By that time he had his spectacles on and looked at her over them in a way that was terrifying to the little girl. And when she reached in the hall in front of her father had his spectacles on. He kept his spectacles on his eyes, covered his eyes, and looked at her over them. And over the spectacles, above the frame of spectacles, he saw towards his daughter Kejia in a way that was terrifying to the little girl, and he saw in the way that Kejia became fearful. Means his sight was fearful. When he saw towards his daughter became fearful. Well, Kejia, hurry up and pull off these boots and take them outside. Have you been a good girl today? So his father would say to her, well, Kejia, hurry up, come quickly and pull off these boots and remove these boots and take them outside and keep them outside of the hall. Have you been a good girl today? Whether she was a good girl on that day. If she was a good girl on that day, then she was to remove the boots of her father and keep them away out of the hall. I do not know father. And she said she did not know whether she was a good girl or not. How did she speak? Do not know means she stumbled, means she did not speak in clear words because she was fearful. So I think these paragraphs are clear to you. In next video we shall discuss about remaining paragraphs. Thank you.